Located on Deck 8, Cabin 8016 is a spacious two-bedroom concierge suite featuring a private veranda designed for comfort, elegance, and an elevated cruising experience. As you enter, you're welcomed by the first beautifully appointed bedroom. It features a spacious walk-in closet with ample hanging and drawer storage. The ensuite bath is thoughtfully designed with a single vanity, while the toilet and walk-in rainhead shower are set in a separate private space, offering both comfort and convenience. Back in the hallway, there's also a convenient half bath for guests. Moving toward the back of the suite, you step into a spacious living area with a dining table and wet bar, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. From here, you will also have direct access to your private veranda. Dreaming of a stay like this? Don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Reach out and I'll take care of everything for you. Continuing on, you'll enter the star of the show, the master bedroom. The space features a large bed, TV, dresser, and an impressively spacious closet. The master ensuite bathroom offers a true retreat with double sinks, a large soaking tub, and a separate shower. This suite combines comfort, space, and luxury, making it the perfect home away from home on the Disney Magic. And as an added bonus, this is a concierge stateroom, offering the highest level of luxury and personalized service on board. Enjoy upgraded amenities like plush robes and slippers, premium bedding, and complimentary Wi Fi. You'll also have exclusive access to the concierge lounge and private sun deck, along with priority boarding and a dedicated team to assist with dining, excursions, spa reservations, and more. From pre arrival planning to onboard service, every detail is designed to make your cruise seamless, relaxing, and truly unforgettable.